See this question. Find which one of the following is a positive number. First, we will go with the sin 1290. 1290 we can write in multiples of 90. Then it will come 14 times 90 plus 30. So you know that if it is odd multiple, it will be corresponding sine function will come. So sine 14 into 90 plus 30 is equal to sine 30. Okay, then what about its sine, which quadrant it will come here? 14 already, 14th quadrant plus this 30, that means 15th quadrant. You, what is the simple trick is you have to just subtract the nearest multiple of 4. The nearest multiple is actually 12. So 15 minus 12 you will get a 3. So this will be in the third quadrant. Third quadrant all are negative. So you can see minus 1 by 2. Got it? Next we have 570. This is 6 times 90 plus 30. Okay. This is also even multiple. So corresponding cos function only. That means it will be cos 30. And 6 plus 1, 7. 4 minus 7 what? We have 3. Again, it is in third quadrant. So cos is also negative there. So we will get a minus root 3 by 2 because cos 30 is minus root 3 by 2. Next we have cot 1200. 1200 we can write 13 into 90 plus 30, and cot is also we can write in terms of cos by sine. So after that, here you know that it is actually coming even odd multiple of 90. So corresponding cofunction, cos cofunction is sine and sine cofunction is cos. So we got it, sine 30 by cos 30. Now we need to find out which quadrant it is coming. 13 plus 1, that means 14. 12 minus 14 is 2. So it is coming in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is positive and the cos is negative, you know that. So it is nothing but cos, the sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is minus root 3 by 2. After cancellation, we will get minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so far we did not get anything positive. Now let me see what will happen the next tan 96 960s. 960 we can write written as we can write as 10 into 90 plus 60. It's even multiple, so we can write even multiple is the same function will come, tan 60 will be there. Okay, then which quadrant? 10 plus 1, 11 quadrants. So out of that, 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11 means what will happen? It will be in the third quadrant. Okay, third quadrant, tan is positive. Because sine and cos all are negative, so its ratio is tan is positive, so tan 60 is equal to root 3. Then we will get in this case tan 960 is the positive. That's the answer.